How is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is how to design advertisement ad photo post using AI tool. Okay. In the previous, without the AI tool, it's difficult to create an attractive, engaging ad advertising photo designs. So we hire someone to create that type of photo using the Photoshop, but nowadays using the AI, it's very easy to make every type of photos. Okay, photos, logo, background, wallpaper, thumb, any kind of things. Okay, so this is the part 4 from my ChatGPT course, and in this video we will see does ChatGPT successful to is ChatGPT successful to create uh, ad design photo. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. For the video, you need ChatGPT app or website in your platform, any platform that you are using. So let's start the video. Here the ChatGPT that is, when you enter into the ChatGPT, you will see here ask anything option, and in the tool option there is an create an image option that we will use in this video for advertisement post creation. Okay, before getting post uh, you you need prompt. You can also type your own prompt, but I will ask ChatGPT to send me a prompt that I will use in the post in the image creation. Okay, send me prompt for Facebook advertisement ad photo. I am selling football shoes which price is $200, and add other things yourself. I need simple attractive engaging photo for that ads. So send me best prompt that I will send to AI to create that type of photo. Let's see ChatGPT sends what kind of. Okay, a high install issue issue. Okay, reliable performance. Let's see. Use this into there. Create an image tool. Paste here prompt or type your own prompt here. Okay, let's see. ChatGPT will create us what kind of photo. Let's see. Okay, here is the photo that ChatGPT create for us. You see how amazing photo ChatGPT generate. I said them simple and looking amazing, engaging. So when we use this in the ad, so what do you think someone buy or not? You can also, if you think the photo need more improvement, so you can click here. Here is the edit option, and you can tell them to what kind of changes you want. Okay, for the video I just want simple photo, but it looks so much amazing photo. elite. I just tell them to add $200 and their type of photo. The word ChatGPT add their self. Elite performance, premium quality, best line. So this is the video for today. Hope you enjoyed. We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.